Have you ever wondered who keeps your office building running smoothly? Who ensures the elevators work, the lights stay on, and the temperature remains comfortable? That's the work of a building manager. Let's dive into the realm of building management, a crucial aspect of facility management that is often overlooked. Building management involves the careful orchestration and maintenance of a building's physical infrastructure. It's like conducting a symphony where each instrument has a vital role to play in creating harmonious music. In this case, the instruments are your HVAC systems, elevators, plumbing, lighting, and security systems. Each of these elements must be finely tuned and maintained to ensure the optimal functioning of the building. Now you might be thinking, that sounds like a lot of work. And you'd be right. The role of a building manager is a complex one that requires a blend of formal education and essential skills. A bachelor's degree in a relevant field is often the starting point, but the real magic happens when you add in strong communication, project management, problem solving, and a solid understanding of mechanical and engineering concepts. Imagine having to coordinate maintenance, renovations, and budgets while ensuring that every aspect of the building is running as it should. It's a bit like spinning plates while juggling balls, but that's what building managers do. They are the unsung heroes, the ones who keep everything in check so that the building's occupants can go about their day without a hitch. A building manager's role goes beyond just fixing things when they break. It's about preventive maintenance, identifying potential issues before they become problems. It's about efficiency, ensuring that every system works well together. It's about safety, making sure that the building is secure and that emergency procedures are in place. In essence, building management is a symphony of coordination and maintenance, a dance of efficiency and safety, a masterpiece of organization and problem solving. It's not just about keeping the lights on. It's about ensuring the entire infrastructure of a building functions optimally. So building management is not just about keeping the lights on. It's about ensuring the entire infrastructure of a building functions optimally. But how does a building manager keep track of all these responsibilities? The answer lies in technology. Indeed, technology plays a pivotal role in modern building management. It's the key that unlocks the door to streamlined operations and efficiency. And when we talk about technology in building management, we're primarily referring to specific software tools such as computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, and enterprise asset management, or EAM. So, what's the magic these tools bring to the table? Well, they simplify the complex processes that building management often involves. Think of these software tools as the building manager's best friend. They help keep track of the building's physical infrastructure, from HVAC systems to elevators, plumbing, lighting, and security systems. Using a CMMS, for instance, a building manager can schedule and monitor maintenance tasks, manage budgets, and even predict potential issues before they become significant problems. It's like having a crystal ball that provides insights into the building's future. On the other hand, an EAM software aids in managing the life cycle of physical assets within the building. It allows for comprehensive tracking from the initial acquisition of an asset through its operational use, right up to its disposal. It's like having a personal assistant that never forgets anything about any piece of equipment in the building. But it's not just about keeping track. These tools enhance efficiency too. They eliminate manual tracking, reduce paperwork, and automate processes, freeing up time for the building manager to focus on more strategic tasks. Moreover, they provide valuable data and insights that can help in making informed decisions. Whether it's about energy consumption, space utilization, or preventive maintenance, these tools equip the building manager with the information they need to optimize the building's performance. So, in a nutshell, technology in building management is all about simplifying processes and enhancing efficiency. It's the secret sauce that helps a building manager juggle all their responsibilities and ensure the building is always functioning at its best. With the right technology in place, a building manager can ensure every aspect of a building's infrastructure functions smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching our guide on mastering building management. We hope that you're now more aware of the crucial role technology plays in this field. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us understand what topics you find valuable and continue creating content tailored to your needs. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.